A girl's day. It's Sunday and we are having ourselves a girls' day. My mom, Belen, and I are headed out, and Franco and Dad are headed out too. My mom and I are having a little girls' day. My sisters did not want to leave the house. It's Sunday, so they're just rotting in bed because they go back to school tomorrow, obviously. And Jonathan is actually taking Franco fishing, which is something he's been wanting to do for a long time. And so my mom and I said, you know what, let's just go. I'm actually going to Trader Joe's to get groceries for the week, and I have to do some restocks as well. But of course, we're at Ziggy's because we need a little drink before we head out, per usual. Sí.
Ay. Hola. Ay.
Let's do a 12-ounce OMG, please. I'll do iced and Diet Pepsi, please. 16-ounce iced green tea, please. 12.81. ¡Qué hermoso cantas, amor! Thank you. Gluten free, porque somos skinny. Yay, baby. Prueba esta, ¿no?
Yummy, yummy.
Es como cinnamon roll. Uno.
Tiene mucho azúcar.
No es cierto, es Diet Zero Pepsi. Es Pepsi Cero. Thank you so much. ¿Está rico o no?
Está bueno, pero para mí.
¿Está muy dulce?
Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong.
Wow. We're gonna put Belen's jams on before we head out.
Vamos a Trader Joe's.
¿Quieres ir de compras? ¿Tienen qué son? De pan de melote. ¿Sí? Ten, baby. My mom actually wanted to shop at Nordstrom Rack, so I dropped her off and I came home so I could drop off the groceries, and we're probably gonna go get dinner because I still have to go to Target and maybe one other place to get all of the weekly restocks. But what about how it's freaking 4:54 p.m. and it's already getting dark? This is actually going to make me crash out because I forgot that the time changed today. Totally forgot, okay? We had no idea. And now I'm sad. Okay, let's put away the groceries. I got some haul. Okay, Jonathan wants to see my haul. Okay, first of all, I got pumpkin spice teeny tiny pretzels. I'm gonna try those. Bell peppers. Sugar cookie dough with pumpkin, so we can make with the kids tonight. Cucumbers.
Oh, ten. Prueba esto.
Squash. Extra firm tofu. Blueberries. Tandrigas. And I got kefir for the kids. This is how I get their probiotics in. And it helps with the digestive system. I also got this whipped light cream. Are they good?
I didn't try.
Grapes. Strawberries and maple chicken breakfast sausages.
Damn.
I'm gonna give the kids this as a snack right now so then we can go get dinner because I know they're hungry already. And then I'm gonna wash these tonight and cut them up and get them ready for the week. And that's it. Teeny tiny yogurt pretzels. Ooh.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
¿Te gustó, mamá?
They're not very good.
No.
I'm glad the kids like them. ¿Quieres yogur, baby?
Sí, por favor.
Sí, por favor.
No,
¿Quieres yogur?
no.
¿Quieres aquí?
¿Y sabes qué no pasa? Mamá.
Mande.
¿Y sabes qué me pasó?
¿Qué te pasó?
No, me gusta ese.
Por eso, de ahí quita ese.
Pero quería ese.
Oh, es que no. Oh, ¿de este?
Sí.
Oh, okay. Franco wants mango instead. Shake it. Now we're talking. Ay, qué hermosos, comiéndose su kefir. We're on our way to dinner with the kids, but as soon as I got home from Trader Joe's, I noticed that Belen's earring was gone. These earrings se los regaló Noemi, and she was matching with Penny, but it was gone, and I don't know where it fell. Jesus, I don't know where the heck it could have fallen. I looked absolutely everywhere, in the car seat, in the car, under her, everywhere, and it's not there. So stopping by, and we're gonna get her some earrings here at the outlets, and then we'll head over to Hot Pot to have dinner. Made it to Hot Pot. They just finished eating. They had chicken broth and noodles, rice, and a little bit of canes. Done with dinner, we made it to Target to pick up our Restocks, which are deodorant, mouthwash, and the most basic things. Ooh, of course I'm coming through that. Oh, this is so cute. First I'm looking at the decor. I just can't.
¿Quién mata las ardillas?
Es un animal pero bien fuerte.
I got last year's holiday cups here at Target. They're $5 and they still use them daily, so I'm getting these. Take these. Restock our wipes.
Also, papá.
Muy buena idea. This one's
A ver.
the best one.
Está bien en serio.
I'm gonna give you guys a quick Target haul while I put the groceries away. So to start off, I got to the kids Stonyfield organic yogurt. They have one every single morning. I got my Downy Light glass cleaner, lotion. This is all gonna go upstairs. No, this was 15. The cups for the kids that I showed you. And I got a bunch of antibacterial soap because we have completely run out of them. Clinical gel deodorant. If you know, you know. My mom has been wanting on a wall ever since my sisters and I got one, so I got this for her. I got a Scrub Mommy, Element electrolytes, Clean Day multi-surface cleaner. I'm gonna try this for Belen. So Cozy Kids Curl Leave-In Conditioner. Yakults, of course. I got these 11 grams of proteins from Oikos. I think they would make a good snack for the kids. I'm gonna try them tomorrow and see if they like them. And then these are a must-have, which are the Oikos 23 grams of protein smoothies. Okay, te lavas bien las manos. My mom put me on some of these Nivea hand creams a long time ago, so I got some for her and some for me. Ugh. Oh, porque la O sabe más. Yeah. Just adding the milk in here. Espera, mami, déjame has hecho uno más. Okay, for our perfect Sunday, we're gonna make cookies. Do you have parchment paper?
What's up, guys? Hoy vamos a ir a pescar.
Ya ves.
Esta la agarramos de Trader Joe's. So these are sugar cookie dough pumpkins. We do have parchment paper. Thank you very much. Okay, uno aquí. No way.
No.
¿Quieres ayudarnos, baby? Oh, tienes que tener cuidado, baby.
Sacas, tienes que pasar.
Ponla aquí. Muy bien. Nomás ponlas porque no las tienes que pegar ni aplastar, ¿ok? Ponlas así. 1, 2. This is how they look. They're so cute. Some glasses of milk over here.
Yay.
Yay, ¿listo? Mira, baby. ¿Quieres una? Cheers. ¿No ocupo el tuyo? These are 10 times better than regular store-bought ones. Baby, I'm gonna try these. ¿Están ricas o no? ¿Mucho o poquito? Can't drink milk if it's not taken milk. Mira. Yum, Belén. Shake de galleta. ¿Está rica? We just finished cleaning up the cookie mess. Jonathan's about to make us our detox teas, and I'm gonna wipe down the surfaces.
This video is sponsored by Hoppy. Happy Body Labs Detox Soups. You guys want to know how I do it?
This is a tutorial of how Jonathan does her detox. ¿Para qué necesitas funnel? If you can just DIY it. Con babita no pasa.
That's what makes you detox. No way. Los dinosaurios. Muy bien, cara.
Tú lo hiciste solo, mi amor. Wow, pa, qué lindo. Dile wow, Franco.
Pero necesito que la veo es tuya.
Okay. ¿Qué es esto, baby?
Baby.
Tortuga bebé.
Baby, no.
Gracias. ¿Lo duermo?
Sí.
Ok. Shh, shh, shh.